In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can type vertically in Adobe InDesign. So Adobe InDesign, there are two options to achieve the vertical typing. Unfortunately, Adobe InDesign doesn't have a type vertically tool. So I have a word here, and as you can see, if I adjust the box where I typed and I make it vertically, it really doesn't work. So if I go back, there's an option where you add a space between every letter in your word, which can be annoying if you have lots of words, long words, and all those things. But if you add a space and then you make your text box vertical, you now have a vertical word. And you can still adjust this in the properties window, which if it is visible, go to window and then choose properties. And you can still adjust where it's aligned and all those things. And your type, the size and all that. But that can be annoying if you have lots of words. So the other option you have is the type on the path tool. First, I'm going to make a line using the line tool, holding my shift key to make sure that I have a straight line. And then if I long press this type tool, I have the type on the path tool, or I can just use shift T. Now, if I hover on top of this line here, you can see a plus sign, and that means you can type. I can also adjust my type, and I can adjust the size as well. Let's do that. So now I have a text. I have a vertical text, but the text isn't aligned vertically. So what I can do now is select this text and then go to my type on the path tool, double click it to get the type on the path options. And then here we have effects we can choose from, and the effect we want to choose is stair step. As you can see now, my text is aligned vertically. I'm going to press OK, but it's pressed together. So the next step you have is to choose if you want to have it aligned in the center here, and then you can justify it. And if you justify it, as you can see, now my letters aren't pressed together anymore. Just like that. And if I deselect, as you can see, we have a vertical text. So that's the option using the type on a path tool. There are two options in Adobe InDesign because unfortunately there is no vertical type tool. I hope yet, but there's no vertical type tool in Adobe InDesign. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.